Welcome to Six Cellars Farm Road in Andover, Massachusetts. This beautiful custom farmhouse is set back on a private lot with a large yard the whole family can enjoy. A perfect home for nature lovers as you're next to conservation land and walking trails. Situated between the renowned Phillips Academy and the bustling downtown area with several shops and restaurants, this cul-de-sac offers a prime location that is second to none. With a chef's dream kitchen that's equipped with top-of-the-line Thermador appliances, including a 48-inch range with dual ovens, and a custom plastered vent hood that is complemented by open shelving, and a hidden pantry that ensures ample storage space. The family room is just off the kitchen with a shiplap wall, gas fireplace, and soapstone surround. The first level also features a convenient home office and a mudroom just off the 3-car garage, adding functionality to daily living. This home has 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, including a first-floor ensuite with a private entrance. The primary bedroom has 10-foot ceilings, including 2 large walk-in closets with a primary bath that features a large double vanity with a makeup area, radiant heat flooring, a large soaking tub, and a large shower. This home offers luxurious accommodations for its residents, as every bedroom comes with its own private bathroom. Plus, an oversized laundry room on the second level adds convenience to everyday tasks. The finished lower level provides additional living space, and it's flooded with natural light throughout several windows, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Additionally, the home's proximity to Interstate 93 and the commuter rail ensures an easy commute to work, enhancing the convenience of this prime location.